Pagbati si OG Pam, ito po ang inyong lingkod, Bishop Rodelio Barbia, na bumabati sa inyo sa pangalan ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo. Sa loob ng 2 dekadang paglilid sa Church of God Caloocan, amin pong nakita ang pangangailangan ng malaking pagbabago. Kaya nagsimula kaming mangarap muli, and we took the risk of expanding our territory by establishing COG Crossroad. And the journey wasn't easy nor fun. May mga nagsasabi, bakit kailangang lumabas? Mayroon na naman tayong church. But still, we obeyed the will of God for the church to grow. Dahil binigay ang mission sa atin ng Panginoon, kailangan nating gawin na tayo ay humayo at sundin ang kanyang utos. Going out of COG Caloocan wasn't an easy task, but still, we pursue COG Crossroad despite opposition of Zam. Just like when Joshua led the Israelites to the Promised Land, it wasn't an easy task, but still Joshua obeyed the Lord. And then another opportunity arose. COG One Mall Valenzuela was born. The commander of the Lord's army appeared to Joshua. Joshua said, "Are you with us or with our adversary?" He answered, "No, I am the commander of the army of the Lord." COG Valenzuela continued to grow. In 2 years' time, through ups and downs, through struggles, through challenges that we face, we just celebrated our 2nd anniversary last August, and praise be to God. From cinema, 4th floor, to the hallway at 4th floor, and also to 3rd floor near Robinson's Appliances. And then again, as we move forward towards COG Valenzuela to happen, God gave us an opportunity to move again to COG Valenzuela. Tagpo po tayo ng building na ginagawa, and we took the opportunity to talk to the owner, and then the favor of the Lord, pinagkaloob po sa atin ang pabor ng ating Panginoon. At kaya nga po, as we continue to evangelize the community, we are encouraging everyone to support the ongoing COG Valenzuela building project at 3rd floor Salazar Building, Karuhatan, Valenzuela City. COG PAN, we ask you to support us in prayer, and we ask you to support us by partnering with us through sponsorship, and that the Lord may continue to finish the work He has given us. As Paul said in Philippians 1:6, "And I am certain that God, who began the good work within you, will continue His work until it is finally finished on the day when Christ Jesus returns." Until the smallest family will become 1,000 of people, the tiniest group will become a mighty nation. At the right time, the Lord, our God, will make it happen. Sa Diyos po lahat ng papuri.